and probably just, well, there is another thing on my list. I started to say, go ahead and clean up the garage. But you know how much I love cleaning up the garage and how much I really want to clean up the garage before I do anything else. But I did have another thought. When I drove the Studebaker the other day, I noticed the carburetor on it is such that it feels like it needs some attention. It kind of has a little hesitation. It probably needs a choke set. Probably needs a lot of stuff done. Now I believe this carburetor is pretty much the same as far as how it sets up and how it works and the size of it and everything else. And I'm thinking about taking this one off and cleaning it a little bit with some carburetor fluid, and then going down there and taking that one off the Studebaker and putting this one on the Studebaker and bringing that one up here, and then I can mess around with adjustments and take that one apart and rebuild it, and put it back on here and get it all set up like I want it to be. In the meantime, I can have this carburetor to drive around on the car if I want to. And I think I might want to. So I'm going to think in those terms a little bit. Let's see where that leads me. Okay, let's see what happens next. It may be some garage cleaning that'll happen, or it may be some carburetor removing that'll happen. We'll see. Stay tuned for the big reveal, or whatever. These are pretty good for throwing nuts and bolts in, but you know, if you have one of these full of nuts and bolts, you have to dump it out, then it takes quite a lot to clean it back up. But what I did, since I'm so smart, is I put my bolts and screws in here, my washers and nuts in here, my soon-to-be used again on the project I'm working on right now, nuts and bolts in here. I put my rubber parts. There's a lot of rubber, parts and some pulleys and some things that you hang through sheetrock. I got a hinge. I know where it goes. It goes down the back shed. So I mean, that's a start. And not only did I kind of clean up the table a little, but I now can imagine, I'll use that word, I now can imagine what it might look like if it was done. So, I mean, that's worth something. Yeah, that's a start. I mean, you know, I'm not saying it's finished product, but it's a start. We'll get there. We'll get there. Yeah, we will. Alright, I may just get out of here now while I still can. Come back tomorrow, see what we do then. Love y'all, appreciate you hanging out with me. Some of you are real troopers. You hang out with me for a long time, put up with all my silly ways and such as that. And you deserve better, but for some reason you're willing to make a sacrifice and hang out with me. I appreciate that. I wonder where that should go. That's a good prize bar right there. I would find the right place for it. I just don't know what the right place is. Okay. See ya.